Overthinking is loud, but not smart. It multiplies maybes, taxes your breath, and hides the one move that matters. Here's the calm shock. Your brain doesn't want certainty tonight. It wants direction. We'll give it 7 minutes. One view from above. One task you can touch. One clean stop. Rule: you are not your thoughts. You are the one who aims them. Impressions arrive. You decide where to place attention, effort, and time. That's the ruling faculty. That's your steering wheel. Practice the 7-minute reset. Minute 12, view from above. Sit or stand tall. Breath in for 4, out for 6. Imagine rising to the ceiling, then the roof, then the dark sky. See your room as a small square in a wide city. Watch today shrink into a tile in the mosaic of your month. Ask softly, in a month, which tiny action tonight still matters? Don't judge, just notice. The field widens, noise thins. Minute 35, single task lock. Pick one action you can finish in 5 minutes, or ship a visible slice of in 5. Open the doc and fix the title. Outline 3 bullets for the thesis. Rename and sort the footage into a simple folder. Send the request email with one question. Put your phone in another room. Start a timer. Begin. Your job is not perfection. It's traction. Minute 6. Constraint. Choose a boundary sentence ahead of distraction. I will decide again at the bell. When the anxious voice barges in with ifs and what ifs, you nod and return to the step. The bell is the judge, not the mood. Minute 7. Close in place. Save the file. Write one line. What you did. Place the next breadcrumb where morning. You will see a sticky note on the keyboard, a tab already open to the right paragraph, a clean timeline named S1 Draft A. Let the work be obvious when light returns. Vignette. A student stares at a blank essay at 11:37 p.m. The cursor blinks like a dare. 7 minutes. Ceiling, roof, sky. In a month, the grade will care about a thesis, not perfect phrasing. The student writes 3 rough bullets, sets a 10-minute morning block, and closes the laptop. Sleep lands. Panic doesn't. Pattern breaks every minute. Change posture. Sip water. Touch cool metal. Stand near a window. Tiny physical edits tell your thoughts to follow your lead. If fear whispers you're behind, answer with math. 7 minutes tonight plus 10 in the morning is more than 0 plus guilt. Guilt does not submit drafts. You do. Commitment. I will widen, choose one, and close clean. Overthinking loves rooms crowded with options. Respectfully reduce the room. You're not choosing a perfect future. You're choosing one honest step now. Principle. Spend energy only where your hands can reach. Inside, attention, effort, tone, the next useful move. Outside, other people's opinions, algorithm weather, tomorrow's outcomes. When you work what's yours, the noise loses fuel. Practice. The map and commit. Step 1. Draw 2 quick columns on any scrap mine not mine. Under mine, write tonight's single deliverable, 1 clarifying question, and a tiny deadline. Under not mine, list likes, comments, grades, and whether someone replies. Read both columns once. Step 2. Ask early, then act. Send the clarifying question now if it unblocks you. Confirming 5,700 words and 3 sources. Then turn to your deliverable for 5 uninterrupted minutes. Step 3. Commit small and real. I will finish the outline by 10:15. If you miss, you don't self-attack. You adjust another 5 minutes or move it to morning with a scheduled block. Consistency over theatrics. Vignette. A creator spirals over a thumbnail. There are 47 versions. None feel right. Map and commit. Mine. Choose one angle. Export at 16.9. Upload before midnight. Not mine. Click through. The creator takes 3 breaths, picks the cleanest frame, exports, uploads, closes the app, and opens the next script. Progress replaces self-argument. Another vignette. A text from someone you care about lands flat. Story engines rev. They're bored, annoyed, gone. Map and commit. Mine. Ask a kind question when calm. Finish tonight's reading. Sleep. Not mine. Their day's weather. You choose. You seem tired, want to talk tomorrow? Then read for 10 minutes. Respect for them and for your duty in one move. Pattern break every minute. Widen view at a window. Cold water on wrists. One stretch. Name the season you're in. Build, repair, or harvest. Seasons explain the friction. You stop making it personal. Your time is a coin. Spend it on the present task, not the imagined verdict. People respect finished. Your nervous system does too. Commitment. I will work my levers only, ask early, and keep promises small. Resolution is rhythm, not a miracle. We'll lock a night ritual you can run in under 10 minutes and reuse for years. Ritual. The marble and compass. Piece 1, marble. You become the sculptor and the statue. Stand in your chosen spot. Posture aligned. Inhale 4. Exhale 6. Touch the project once. Open, save, and set the next breadcrumb where morning you will see it. The form appears from small, honest cuts. Piece 2. Compass. Ask one question. What matters in the next hour of my life? Choose a step tied to your duty to classmates, to clients, to the work itself. Start within 30 seconds. End when the bell rings. End even if you want to keep polishing. Respect grows where boundaries are kept. Piece 3, gate. Close clean. Power down. Put the phone in another room. Write 3 lines. What you moved, where you held a boundary, who you'll thank tomorrow. Lay a pen on the keyboard like a key on the gate. Your inner citadel doesn't isolate you. It protects tomorrow's strength. Vignette. Creator. At 12:04 a.m., eyes grainy. They want to just tweak the grade. Gate. They save, export, schedule, shut the lid. Sleep before midnight becomes a strategy, not a luxury. The morning cut is sharper because the night was honest. If anger pops up about lost time, you contain it like a cola sit to light the next 5 minutes, then let it cool. If fear fogs the path, you slow your steps and keep a hand on the wall your routine until the fog thins. Emotion remains signal, not driver. Say it once to seal. I will widen my view. Choose one task and close clean.